Hello, good morning student. Dear student, today we will discuss about lesson number 5, separation of substances. Means separate means remove from the mixture. Now see, the first of all, we see around us many things like air, water, salt, mixture, ink and jaggery. These are the mixture. Why? So we can say that a mixture is the substance that two or more pure substance mixed together in different proportion. That is known as the mixtures. Understand? Means we can say that mixture is a type of substance. They contain two or more pure substances in different proportion. That is known as the mixture. Understand? Now see the next topic, components. Means the substance, the things found in the mixture is known as the components. Understand? Now see the first of all, the substance present in the mixture do not lose their identity. Understand? The substance present in the mixture do not lose their identity. These components are usually be separated by the simple physical method. Understand? For example, common salt that is used in our cooking in prepare from the sea water by separating salt from water. Understand? Now see the next topic, the separation, need for the separation from the substances in the mixtures. Okay, so separation of components from their mixtures is often necessary for the several reasons. There are some reasons are following. Number one, to remove harmful substances, and number two, to obtain useful components, and number three, to remove undesirable substance. First of all, remove the harmful substances. We buy wheat, rice and pulses from the market. Understand? These food contain usually small pieces of stone and insect. These pieces stone insect are harmful to us. So we separate from the wheat, rice and pulses before using them. Understand? Now see the next, to obtain useful components. Means the crude petroleum is a mixture of various components like such as the petrol, diesel, kerosene, oil, petroleums and gases. We separate the components of the petroleums mixtures to obtain the useful components like kerosene oil used in the households, and petrol is also used to the vehicles. Understand? Now see the next topic, to remove the undesirable substances. Student, you might have to see your mother preparing by adding the tea leaves, sugar and milk, boiling waters. Understand? After the tea is prepared, separate the tea leaf from the tea by using of strainer, tea strainer or sieve, and they do not. Why does she do this? Means this is done because they use tea leaves have become an undesirable components. So separation is the components in the mixtures remove undesirable substances. So student, let us study the need of separation substances from the mixtures. There are following methods for separation of components from the mixtures. Now see, number one points is the hand picking methods, and number two the threshing, and number three the winnowings, and number four the sieving. First of all, the hand picking method. What is the meaning of hand picking? क्या होता है? Hand picking the grain and pulses, and they that we buy from the markets, and they contain undesirable components like small stone and some other small substance. These components are different from food grains, so they differ size and color, and so they can see easily, and such undesirable components can be removed by hand picking. Understand? Now see the next topic, threshing. Threshing क्या है? तो all you know about the cereals like wheat and rice need to prepare from the stalk, separate from the stalk. Understand? So we can say that the process of separating the grains from stalk by the beating on the grounds using the machine is called the threshing. Understand? It is done by the two way, like one is the manual threshings and other is the modern threshing. Means manual threshing, the farmer hold the piles of the crop in his hand and the heat on the rocks on any hard substances. Understand? Hard surface, and during this process the grain is separated from the stalk. Okay, and now you know about the threshing is the very important, done by the machine that is known as a thresher. This machine is used the threshing large quantity of the grains. And one thing is more, winnowing. What is the meaning of the winnowing? Winnowing means, student, grain are separated from the mixture by the grain, means wheat or the rice. Understand? And hucks. This method used by the winnowing. And understand? Means the method of separating the heavier, lighter components of the mixture by wind. Understand? That is known as the winnowing. Okay. Now next topic है आपका sieving. क्या है? What is the meaning of the sieving? Sieving क्या होता है? The method of separating the components of the mixtures that different size by using of sieve is known as the sieving. Understand? This method is used some home separation by wheat grain from the flour, and you might have to notice or seen the similar larger sievers being used to building constructions, means separation of pebbles or stone from the sand. Understand? That is known as the sievings. Thank you. Okay.